Alright, so... Oh, do I have a mic right now? I don't think I've added the mic. Give me one sec. Yes. Let me add the Yeti. Yes, okay. Or maybe it's good already. Yeah, okay. So we are doing this. Just taking a bit more space so that I have view on the side. And so, yeah, basically I had this idea of building kind of a 3D portfolio, and right now it's kind of random, but the concept that I had to begin with was that you would have doors, and doors would be questions, and when you click on a door, it would kind of open and go somewhere. I've kind of played around and do some stuff, but it's not really, I mean, it's not there yet. What I'm going to do now is try to take a step back and look at how it could be managed differently. So what I'm going to do is to create views from which I can update the different components, like the floor, the doors, maybe the UI panels and everything, so that I can tweak them easily. And from there, yeah, we'll just start with the door and then we'll make some other stuff. Okay, so let's just get into it. I'm going to start a Claude instance here as well, so that I can have like both Claude and Cursor in two different places. I am looking to create a page in which I'm going to be able to edit what my door look like the doors that we are using through this app. I want to have a panel on the side from which I can adjust the different parameter of that door. And I want to access it like at /door URL. I've heard about like, I don't know if it's Leva or Lava or something, that is a way to kind of edit components. Let's talk through it. So what's good about like Claude, and I guess my face is just in the middle, so you probably don't want it here, but I'm not sure where to put it so that it's not an issue. Maybe I just put it at the top here. Yeah, I guess probably better. Okay, so let me just take a look about this Leva kind of thing. What was it? Oh, did I check that on my phone? Maybe it's not there yet. It's called Leva, it's a React library. So, yeah, I mean, okay. So, Leva. Leva is it's right for this, made by the same team behind React Fiber, which we are using, which is good. Routing, React router, I guess that will be fine. So right now, I think adding React router would be fine unless you have counter indication to do so. I would like to, yeah, kind of edit everything regarding the arch, everything you mentioned. Yes, it would be a live 3D preview so that when we use it in the main scene, it's the same one. Yeah, I'd like to be able to save the doors. Can we just save them in a JSON somewhere? For now, it's just like local development, so we don't really care. But I want to be able to switch back between versions if I want to. In the last video, I told you that every app. So now Claude is going to create a plan for us, and I think like right now it's really rough, but once we get to adjust the elements one by one, we can have a lot of fun. And also after like the door thing, what I would want to do is have like a room editor, so we can create rooms, and within the room we'd be able to add objects and stuff. And yeah, I mean, we start from there. I don't really know when this project would end, or I just want to have fun and explore like this 3GS kind of technology. Because I guess if you're anything like me, you've probably played some video games, and this looks like being able to making some kind of video games. Let's add some music. I guess it's probably not really allowed, but since no one is watching for now, I guess no one will care. So make this a bit bigger. Oh, broke the layout a bit. Including a bunch of other stuff. I can see right away. I don't know if it's the Spotify that's just making my computer slow. I'm going to kill Docker too, because I don't need it now. Okay. So looks like we're going to have a big plan here because Claude is still working on it. It's been 2 minutes 40 something, and oh yeah, I broke the layout, so I'm going to try to make it look better for you guys. Okay. Yeah, I just put like the kind of the cursor in kind of full screen for me, so it broke it here. So we're still working on this. Okay, that's a lot of token. Okay, it has an understanding of. What I find interesting with Opus 4.5, 4.6 is that even if you don't start in plan mode, if it needs a plan, then it's going to go to plan mode by itself. it's just great, because otherwise you would just be like, oh, I want to create a plan, I'm going to just start with plan mode, when it's not really useful. Okay, so the plan is it's going to create a new file. Okay, it's going to be a component file, and for now we have the shape and all of these things. I think it's, yeah, really good. Let's just go for it and see what happens. Oh, I'm not connected, so I can't chat. Or do I need to connect to chat? I guess it doesn't matter since no one is watching. I guess I can share the link to at least know if someone can see it. I guess I can just... Okay, so Claude is still doing the work. So I haven't really used React Router with Vite. I think, or maybe I have. We have the door config. It's still building, so I guess, yeah, with Cloud Code it's a bit like you go with a big plan and then you let it roll and then you look at it. Whereas when you use just like the auto mode of cursor here, it's just making small changes. Just want to check, like, I think I need to do this from here if I want to have access to my chat. Probably not here. Maybe here. Just checking that this is working. Okay, yeah, so I guess I would need to be, I guess I can have it on the side somewhere. In case here. Okay. That's why I can hide this here. Okay. So Claude is still working, it's been 3 minutes. It's not really interactive just yet, but it should be eventually. And so before I didn't have like the walls, and right now with the wall it's hard to see what's behind. But what I had done in the previous build was that when you click on one of the items, it would go to the center of the door and then open the door and take you there, which I'm going to remove soon. Get like a better view, but okay. Oh, okay, so it's even like removing like the old door that we have here, and now it's going to be importing the new one that we create. But I'm curious to see like what's the new view is going to be, and with the Leva panel for editions. So hopefully we're going to find out very soon. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened, why it went where the text is on the other side. So I think maybe the wall is kind of mirroring somehow the text, and therefore it's not readable anymore. Okay. So okay, let's see. So it's running the build, seeing some errors, and now it's going to try fix it. I think it's probably going to be more interesting when I start using this to make small changes, but we'll get there. Leva key parameter. Yeah, I think it's going to be nice. Okay. I guess I should probably have done this in the meantime. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So let's see our door editor. Ooh. Okay. So this is the door. Okay. It did do a lot of nice. I think, I don't know. So the thing is, like, I started with a kind of a picture of a door that looked cool, but it's actually really nice to be able to just do that. What do you think? Like, should we kind of make it bigger, or what about this? Kind of like, frame depths. Oh, it's kind of putting it up front. Oh, okay, so that's the wall that comes with the door. I guess I would like to be able to edit kind of the color of the wall. Oh, and I can just make it like a small one or really interesting. The colors right now are not like, I think, yeah, I want to be able to edit the wall and the floor. And so I guess one thing is like, this is a 3D website, but I want it to look like a kind of a laboratory. So I'm not sure I picked the right door to begin with, but I guess that's fine. Okay, so did we... Oh, is it... Oh no, it's here. Okay, put the... What do you think about that wall color? Should it be kind of gray? Now I'm like, I feel like the floor is just disgusting. Let's talk here. Actually, you know what? Let's create. Maybe we want to have like an aesthetic agent that's going to look at the stuff. I'm just going to I'm not sure. Okay, so I guess that's the. Oui.
C'est moi. Je me suis dit le pauvre, je vais lui faire peur.
Ça va bien?
Ça va et toi?
Ouais.
J'ai récupéré la carte.
Oui, il faudra montrer.
Enfin, je rentre pas avec mes chaussures. Merci,
De
je suis
rien.
désolée.
Il n'y a pas de souci.
On se voit ce week-end?
Ouais, ça marche. Salut.
Bisous, bonne journée.
So we were looking at this. What if we try to do it like in black and white? Salut Luc. So this is kind of the color of the stone. Could do. I guess I want to. I mean, we can try black and white, or we can try anything. But if you, Luke, if you have an idea of what you would like this door to look like, you just tell me, and I can try stuff here. I guess the kind of the green piece is like the worst part, and this should probably be more like, I don't know. Something like this, and we'll get back to maybe this. I think the issue right now is the kind of the green. Try to do something. Yeah. Okay. It's not too bad. But it's not good either. Okay, so now we have a page where we can kind of manage our doors. So let's say door front door, stone wall. going to save this one. I guess I can just go back, and if I do, let's just try and see if this is actually working. So maybe I do yo, and so we do create door, create world. I save that, and can I just go back to the other one? Looks like maybe I need to click here. Wait. Actually, I have no idea what this does. It should do something else. Maybe it's about like which one is selected in the main view. So let's go back to the main view and take a look. Okay. So what door do we have here? Doesn't seem to be one of our door. Because I think I picked. Oh, so I guess this is not working at all. Okay, let's just say it. So I can see the door that are saved on the door page, but when I click on them, it's not previewing that actual door. Let's add a selected state in the bottom bar that we have on the door page. Okay, so Claude is trying to fix this issue for us. And I think we probably want to set like a different color for the floor. Oh, this is not good, but it should find the issue. One having a stair going down to the prison, one going to the main hall of the castle. Okay. The thing is, like right now I'm trying to just make it look nice, and then we can have different paths, I think. I didn't really think about like having different levels, but I guess we could create stairs next. Yeah, I mean, let's do it. This is still not working. So when I click on the door, going to fix this, and then I guess I can add like some kind of a to-do on the side. Okay, let's create a to-do.md, and in this one let's add open two paths, one that has a stair going down to the prison and one going to the main hall of the castle. So I guess we'll have to build a prison and a hall after. I guess next thing might be a kind of a room creation editor. Okay, so I'm just going to ask, have we actually saved the preset when I saved like the brown door, stone wall, and grey door, grey wall thing on the door page? Are the value from Leva being saved somewhere? Because yeah, it looks, I mean, it says that we have values, but I'm not sure it was saved since it's not showing up here. I'm going to start like just another terminal instance, and I'm going to make it work at the same time. On the same model as the door page, let's create a room page with a Leva editor as well, from which we can create rooms and modify them. As parameter, let's have like a width. I mean, like, is it a square? And I mean, I guess X, Y, and Z as parameters that we can update. Let's be able to pick the color or the texture of the floor. And yeah, I guess we can start there and we'll add more stuff after. Okay, so I'm going to move this one to plan mode. And we're going to go back here. So what did he say about Usmo is being used for side effect, React doesn't call. So Leva tweaks may never propagate to current config. Meaning saves capture the default config. Define the safe word before. Okay. I mean, you can pick it, Archer, if you want to. Okay, so it says it found the bug. What about, can I just put them next to one another? Okay. So we have a door page, we'll have a, I guess, room page, and we're going to have like a way to edit every item. I guess we also need like kind of an object page so that we can create new elements that can be dropped on the floor. Maybe, I mean, it could be chairs, it could be, I guess, anything. So we'll go and I guess do the same thing. Okay. So, oh, so now we can see it, but it just flashes, so there is another bug. I don't know when I stopped the music.
Got more music now. First up, a song from Fred Again. You listened to 514 minutes of Fred Again last month. Quite the achievement.
Maybe you can tell me if the sound is good or bad, or I mean, I can also just cut it if it's like too loud against my microphone. So we have this one going on here. We have this. No, I guess this is the one like with the room kind of thing. Okay. I should probably just put them next to one another, but I thought there was a way. Oh, maybe. Did it work? No, it does not. I can't drop it actually. Okay, that's. I think what I could do, but this one is running, so I could. I'll resume it here. Okay. Oh, okay, it works now. Nice. So we can save doors. I don't know if you guys like this one. Maybe you can, you know. I mean, if you have ideas for a better door, just tell me and I'll try something else. I think I want to change the floor color, but I don't know what to use right now. Okay. Oh, so we have a plan for the room edition. Yeah, I mean at this point it looks good. We'll have the room editor on the side. Yeah, let's just go and see. So this is happening. This is happening here. So we have a door. We'll get a room. You wanted stairs as well, right? So I have to do stairs like this and like this. But I guess in the end it's more like stairs as an item of the room. And then you just have stairs in that room, I guess. So the door opens to stairs and that's it. So it's really more like an object editor, and we'll make a room with just one stair in the middle, like a small room with stairs. So I guess I can just start another cloud at the same time. On the same model as the door editor, I would like to create kind of an object editor. And the idea would be to create any kind of object and be able to save them so that we can reuse them in other parts of the app. One example that I have right now could be like stairs, or maybe a chair or a table. Yeah, let's just go through this and propose a plan. I guess I'll just put like some kind of a chill mix or something. I guess we can listen to Parcel. Okay, this is happening. So where is... Okay, so this is done. So I think... Okay. So now, okay, there's a room page. So let's see what we have and if we can really define the thing. Okay, nice. So it's just a square right now. I mean, kind of a square. Oh, so it's kind of okay. It's really I guess it's really making it bigger. I guess yeah, it might not need to be big. can I just put like 100 here? Looks like I can. Oh no, it's maximum 30. Okay. Roughness. What does it change? Metalness. Oh. Okay, it's like the wrapper around it. Guess that's fine. And the floor color we can do. Oh, nice. Did like this kind of texture. And we could do kind of lava. This is more like a red carpet somehow. Okay. So this is probably big. Yeah. So this is kind of nice. Going to save it. Bedroom. Okay. Going to make another one. Let's do something that is more like not really. So I guess it could be just a small thing, and maybe it's just white, and this is the entrance with black walls. I guess it's not really nice, but I want to see if that works. Okay. Okay. So if we go back to the first thing we've made. So right now in our main view, we are not really using the room concept. We just have a kind of an open world kind of thing. I want to get rid of this behavior. What I want is that you have a room which has doors, and then you have like another room after. So it might be. What I want to do right now is that we take the really starting scene of the main view, and we start with the entrance room that I created, and then if you pick one door, you would get to the red room that I have created. Let's see if we can make this happen, because if we can, then we'll be able to create a bunch of things. One thing that would also be really cool is a place, which is the thing that I started before, is like a place where we do like the objects, and if we could somehow generate 3D objects from there, then we can add any kind of objects in our build. Okay, so I guess I probably need to refresh this. Okay, so we're building this like the object creator, but I don't think it did what I asked, or maybe I asked it somewhere. No, I guess this is fine. This is more here. Yeah. The room component exists but isn't used in app. Yeah, load from presets. Yes, we want to load them. I guess what would be nice is also to have a way to manage the whole architecture of the castle, of the lab, because right now I'm just prompting my way through it, but it's not ideal. Yeah, I guess that would be ideal. Yeah. Okay. So what's interesting here is that we are vibe coding the building blocks instead of kind of trying to do everything at once. We are kind of creating a no-code view of some of the elements for us to modify and save. So we're building our own library, and then we're going to be able to take the pieces of that library and do something with it. Kind of like creating our own design system. Okay, what else? So I think the object one is ready. Wait. No, it's not ready yet. Okay. Should probably try to find like music I am allowed to use. Okay. Apparently I can use this. is what's the goal to do soon 3D? Is it to add it in a website or just for fun? No, so like the idea is really to explore the technology and be like, the thing is like I want my personal website to look like a laboratory, and I think 3D will make it kind of nicer to and more like a real lab. And it's just exploring something new. I guess I'm used to building like 2D stuff, and I just want to see what it can be like to do 3D. And I think it also opens like other possibilities. So yeah, it's for fun and to be in my should be my personal website at some point. So we are still. This is still going. Okay. I guess I could try Unreal Engine, but do you know like if Unreal Engine is something that you can use in the web, or is it just for? I guess you can use it in the web. Maybe I should use Unreal Engine. I don't know. I hadn't thought about it. I thought about Three.js because I saw people using it, but maybe it would be easier. I don't know. I guess we can ask here, like. I think it's probably lighter to use Three.js, but maybe. Can I like this? So yeah, PC console. It's not it's not on the web. Web 3D bytecode, Unreal native 3D engine. Yeah. So I guess Three.js is probably the right option for this. What do you mean by pixel streaming? Okay. I think the next thing I want to do is probably build like the room arrangement, because last time that I was playing with this, it was just really complicated to say change the text for this or add a door here. If I make it so that the nodes are actually manageable from a UI, then I can just add nodes, remove them, and have something that's more like a system. And I think I can just probably give it like a kind of a screenshot. I had like I draw something in Excalibur another time. Nope, it's not what I want to do. I'm not in the right place. It's not this one. Maybe this one. No. Yes. Okay. So is our object stuff working? Let's try. So we'll have objects. Ooh, we got a stair. So that would be. It even has a ramp. Okay. So I don't know how we presented it so that okay, it's here. So we can have a chair. Nice. Okay, I can even do like something like this, and maybe the legs are going to be different. That's a ugly chair. That's fun. Okay. I really like where this is at right now. What would be even better if we can create new objects and just save them. And then be able to drop them on the page. And then on the room, I mean, and then from the room you would save the room configuration, and then I can pick from them in the main kind of management place. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Ça marche, merci Luc. Bon yoga, salut. Okay. This is great. I love where we are at. In addition to the kind of the drop down for objects, let's have a new object button that you can click to create something new. So it should show a model where we enter the description, and that should trigger like the creation of a new 3D object, and that we can also save like the other ones. It will have the types and then the presets the exact same way. Where I guess I'm a bit lost with my stuff here. Okay, so it's still doing this. Okay, so I guess this one we can. Kind of want to merge the three of them, but I'm afraid it's going to just. Yeah, I can't really merge them right now, I think. Yeah, I guess for the object kind of thing, I don't really want. I would rather have it done locally. So maybe we don't do this. So I need another view, and I need this view to be like a node manager, so that with this node manager we manage the layout of the place, and this way we can say there would be 3 doors from here, and this room is going to be using these presets. And yeah, basically I need a UI where I can link the room. I can create the questions and say this question room is going to have this layout, and it's going to link to these 3 other question room, or this one question room. And when I save it, this should be what our main page used to load the layout. What was this one? Okay. Okay. Nice. So I guess our doors look a bit weird, but this is something that we can manage from before. I like where this is going. I think I'm getting more control over the whole thing. So okay, coming back to what we have here. Okay, so this is still checking, this is building. So what did I tell this one again? Oh yeah, this is for having like the door management. No, add a feature. Okay, nice. Yeah, we have some wonky effects, but so this is cool because this is like the I guess the door layout is adapting to how many things there are on the sides, and we can probably make bigger walls, and kind of the door question should be here, but this should be getting fixed by our kind of door manager. So what I want to be looking at is what's happening here. Are we getting a control to add some objects or not? All right. I find it interesting that to make the room bigger, it just looks like you're zooming in. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we have a way to add our objects now. editor, no, click one. Object panel on the top. I don't see any object panel. Or is it somewhere where it's hidden? Oh, it's here. Okay. So if we add stairs, can I actually rotate it? Ooh, nice. Okay, this is actually awesome. Can I just move it? Yeah, I can move it. Okay, I can also make it like not on the floor, which if it's flying, I guess it's not ideal. What about, okay, and maybe just make it closer. So I guess what I could do is just make the room so that it's just a stair. It just, you know, fits it. No, it would be the Z, not the Y. Oops. Maybe it's just 0 that I need to put here. Yeah, I think. Okay. And maybe I just put my walls down so that I can look at what I'm doing. Did I just, can I click on it? Yes. Oh, and I can update the scale as well. This is really, really cool. So let's say I want my stair to be here. And maybe I'll move it here. Okay. Stair room. Yeah, we have an entrance, we have a stair room, and I guess, can I go to my stair and modify it? I hope so. Checks. If I go to my stair. Oh, but I don't think it's using the preset right now. Is it? Let's make it so that when you have an object that is on the within the room, you pick it based on its preset. So yes, it can be first like is it a stair, is it a chair, or is it something else? But we need to select a preset, and if it doesn't have a preset, it can be the default value. But we need the preset so that we can have custom ones, and if we make a custom version of it, we can update it later on. So this is cool. I'm looking forward to see like our 3D kind of node kind of thing. Okay, so now it's kind of doing it. Okay, so I think it's getting somewhere. I probably want to have some navigation to go from the different modes. Right now I'm playing with the URL, that's not that handy. On the main page, and I guess on every page, let's add a small widget on the top left corner where I can navigate between the main view, the room, the objects and everything that we're creating right now. Let's have it like kind of on the left, like a side menu. Okay. This is really going to be like the big thing of this app. Like, I mean, it's going to allow us to put everything together when right now it's more like doing one thing at a time. So we're going to have our nav menu. I have no idea what it's going to look like for now, but we are building it. Yeah, I think React Flow is good. I guess it would be even better if we can make it a 3D thing. Let's see. I don't care about this. Okay. Okay, so I guess what I would like. Okay, so if we go back to our room thing, and okay, so this is here, but so we do have a custom stair, yeah. So let's say we add a custom stair. So this one is saved. But if I want my entrance room to, I guess it was not the entrance room, but let's say I want to add a stair to this one, then I can just have it and we'll see what we do with it. But I guess we could just add a chair instead. Let's just add a chair. We'll see what we do with this later. Okay. I don't know if it's saving it though. No, it's not. I think I didn't have a way to save an existing kind of update machine. Okay. I think it's kind of struggling on this one, but I'm not really helping with this for sure. So it's saying me that if I go to entrance now and I add my chair and I save, yes, my chair is saved. Awesome. Yes, go for it. I'd like to get this done before stopping, so that when we come back next time, we'll be able to build, I guess, get more into the contents, and I guess we'll see. Okay. Yes, I'm going to go with this. I'm a bit like, I'm not sure what's going to happen with the 3D stuff. I would be surprised if it works right away, but let's see.
Je finis mon stream, j'arrive.
Okay. Okay, so we got this small hamburger menu, which I guess is perfect for what we need to do. Yeah, I guess this is. I forgot what our dusting looked like. Okay. So this is it. I want to check if we go to the main. Yeah, we have our chair here, so it's kind of nice. Let's just play with it in the meantime. Let's say maybe we had. If we go to our entrance and maybe we want to add more chair to it. Also this one we want to move it maybe. Oh, so right now I think it's not really taking in account. It's like I can't edit one by one. Okay. Let's see first if, let's say I had a stair here, can I edit it? Oh, I guess I lost my chair. But now let's say I want a table too and I add my table. Okay, so I think the issue is that, yeah. If I have multiple objects of the same type, I need to like now it moves. Okay. Okay, so we had like a ID issue with the stuff, so I guess we should be able to put a bunch of chairs everywhere now. Yeah, just picking from here. I guess we probably want to move this a bit down. Okay. This one is, yeah. What's fun is like we could probably with this one, like the node editor we're updating the main view, but we could also be able to save in node editor and do something else entirely on the side if we wanted to. So what was this was the issue. So just moving this down. Okay. What's funny is that we could add kind of anything to our rooms and stuff. We could say that when you enter a room there's a specific music, or kind of building a mini world. And so if I go here, yeah, I mean the camera effect is weird, but it's because okay, and this one doesn't have door. So it looks like I don't know which door this is using. Maybe it's the one of the first we created. Oops. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with where we are at right now. Is this place where we can make, I guess, edit the rooms and the objects. Probably want to add a bunch of other objects later on, like maybe, I don't know, we could also have like some art, like let's say things that you hang on the wall and when you click on them something happens. That would be nice. Okay, so this is good. Okay, is this actually done? Oh, it just added it to the nav menu, so we'll be able to see it really soon. Okay. I want to click and see. Drizzling. Nice. Okay. So let's take a look at this. Oh, this is what I want it. So except I cannot edit any of it right now. Okay. The node editor looks good, but right now, how am I supposed to edit them or add kind of doors or things like that? I need a way to edit any place, pick what room it is. So I think right now you've mapped what exists, but this view is meant for me to be able to edit, add element if I need to, and I guess manage the whole layout of the app. Maybe there is an edit panel, but I just don't know how to access it. It's interesting. I guess it tried to do 3D, but it's not really 3D. Yeah, that's fine. So it's like this is kind of the information architecture of our site. I guess it could be interesting to build website this way. Or at least have a view that says this. Okay, this is still going on. I kind of want to stop, but at the same time I'd like to be able to edit something. There are like, I guess, a bunch of different things we need to figure out here. Like, I guess you need the door to pick what the door would look like here, 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 and here. So you need the door, you need the room, and then you need to be able to edit the question on the door, the text that should be shown within the room that we have not really worked on yet. But it's taking shape, so I think it's going to be nice. And right now the 3D layout it's not looking that good, but we can always refine it later. What's important is that the foundation is here and that we can do kind of what we want with it, and we can always improve later. So okay, so I can add a node, but where? Okay. did this happen? Did I click it? Okay, I mean, that's good for now. We'll debug it next time. Thank you for watching, and yeah, let's continue